I gave you my heart.
Two sentences. Say, that is drawing a picture. A picture is drawn by Mina. Students, notice carefully. I have written two sentences on the board. The first sentence is Mina is drawing a picture, and the second sentence is a picture is drawn by Mina. Now, can you say what is the difference between the two sentences? Yes, you have understood. The difference between the two sentences, the first one is active voice and the second one is passive voice. So students, our lesson is voice. Let us know what is voice. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject acts or is acted. The students, I am saying this again about voice. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject acts or is acted upon. How many kinds of voices can you say? Yeah, there are two types of voices. One is active voice and the other is passive voice. The students, if you want to make active to passive voice, at first we have to know the basic idea of the subjunctive case and objective case. Now, let us learn about the subjunctive case and objective case. Dear students, let us know the kinds of voice. There are two kinds of voice, such as active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice is the form of the verb which shows the subject is doer or actor of an action. Passive voice, when the subject of an action is acted upon, the verb is said to be the passive voice. Students, if you want to make passive voice, you have to know the substantive case and objective case, such as I for we for us, you for you, he for him, she for her, they for them, it for it, name for name. Dear students, our students' lesson is bias. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn about bias, usage of active and passive bias, recognize active and passive bias, changing the bias into active to passive. So students, I am going to write down some sentences on the board. Look at them and try to copy them. Are you get ready? If you are not ready, let us go to the board. You can easily understand what is going to learn today. Today we are going to learn about bias. As we are going to learn about bias, at first we have to understand what the bias is. So, dear students, bias. Well, lesson today's stuff is bias. Learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. Now, at the end of the lesson, going to learn about bias, and principles. Recognize principles. Changing Dear students, let us know what is bias. Bias is the form of the verb which shows the subject X that is Dear students, now I am saying again, bias Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject acts or is acted upon. The students, there are two types of voices. One is active voice and another is passive voice. If we want to make active to passive voice, at first we have to know the subjective case and objective case. The students, now I am writing the subjective case and objective case on the board. Subjective case and objective case. The students, these are essential